Well, it's 4:47. I started at like 10 or 10:30, and my little snowblower barely made it, barely did the trick, but it finally did this whole driveway, plus the sidewalks in front. On the right, there's not much. It's only like a foot. Not much snow. On the left is where all the drifting, as you can see, it's it's a lot of snow. Look how high this is. Top of that grill is like where my chin is, basically, maybe a little lower, and then all this. This part was hard because we couldn't use the snowblower, and it was up to my waist for sure, especially right here, and then it went down a little bit right here. And this part was obviously quite a bit bigger. There's a full-size van, and then there's our garage. So it's definitely more than 2 feet at the deepest part. So it looks like 3 feet. And that trash can is actually sitting on top of the snow. It was like mostly buried. That's that. Lots of fun. This is like up to my shoulders. Oh, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, that's for sure.